Hey, y'all, I'm making another recipe that has been requested to me to make it, and it's from Kelly Nadine. And she said, I've enjoyed watching Paula Deen for years, and I'm from Louisiana. And I'm wanting to know how to request for her to make a recipe on her YouTube channel. That's all you do is make a request, right? It's a side dish that's been a tradition to my husband's family, and I would love for her to make it. And it's called Spinach Madeline or Madeline. I don't know, I guess Madeline. So thank you, Kelly. Yes, I love getting recipes from y'all or that are family traditions. I always love that. So here we go. It's very easy. We started with 2 10-ounce packages of frozen spinach, which we have, and you want to make sure it's drained real well. So cook the spinach according to the directions on the package. Drain and reserve liquor. Now melt the butter in the saucepan, and you know I can do that, Kelly. I know how to melt me some butter, don't I, girl? And we're going to add the flour and stir until it's smooth and blended. I'll go ahead and take out our little handy-dandy whiskey because we may need to use that. So stirring until blended and smooth but not brown. Add the vegetable liquor slowly, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Cook until smooth and thick. Continue stirring. Add seasonings and cheese, which has been cut into small pieces. Stir until melted, and then combine with the cooked spinach. So this sounds really, really easy, Kelly. So my hat's off to you, girl. Butter has melted, Kelly, so I'm going to stir in the flour. Do you ever get requests from folks, Bobby? Is that a no?
I get requests from my children and my wife all the time. Where's the money?
Don't lay my recipe in that little bit of water.
I definitely didn't want to lay it on a flame.
No. All right, so we've got that nice and blended, and now we're slowly gonna add the spinach liquor that drained out. Oh, I'm gonna fix to catch my arm on fire.
Spinach Madeline or Madeline? Is that what you're making?
I don't know. Now you're the one with that's good at phonics and all that stuff.
Different ways. L-I-N-E and L-E-I-N-E.
I don't know. She wrote that, so I'd go by that one. All right, so now I think it says, Bobby, to just add the rest of the ingredients.
Cook the spinach according to the directions.
Yes, we're way past that.
Melt the butter.
Yeah.
Add flour.
Yes.
Add vegetable liquor.
Yes.
Cook until it's thick and smooth.
And
add the seasonings and the cheese.
Okay, this is garlic powder.
Yeah.
And it smells like celery.
Celery salt.
Yep.
Yeah, celery salt. Yeah, I thought it smelled
that
like
looks
celery.
good.
And the onions, yes. And how much Worcestershire, son?
A teaspoon. Not a lot. Unless you think a teaspoon is a lot.
Well, you know,
Looks good.
it does. I'm a big soy sauce
Love
fan.
Love
You know, I just love soy sauce.
soy sauce, tamari, fish sauce. We were talking about that.
All right, now this is
All that umami.
evaporated milk. That's what I thought.
Half cup.
Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. This is so easy, Kelly. I hope my crew loves it because it's one of those dishes that you would love to be able to have with maybe a ribeye steak
Yeah.
or barbecue chicken or anything, actually.
Yeah. Kelly says it's a side dish that's been a tradition in her husband's family.
Yes, for years. And I just love getting recipes. That's what I was telling my friends. I just love getting recipes that are traditions in families.
This one's out of Louisiana.
Yeah. And let me tell you something, them Louisiana folks,
I know what
they
I'm
know they can bring it home.
They can cook, can't they?
They can bring it home. They can start with nothing and end with a great pot of something. I love them.
Now, I tasted,
The cream sauce?
yes, and oh boy, is that good. And let me tell you what adds to that and makes it
beautiful.
really nice. Let me tell you what's prominent, not prominent, it kind of came at the end.
Uh-huh.
The celery salt
I was going to say, I bet it was the celery
is
sauce.
really, really nice.
Look at that. This looks so much like cream spinach.
It does.
You know, when if you're lucky enough to get to a real good steakhouse,
Yep.
most people, and this is super simple.
It looks so
Do you think
good.
your children would eat this?
I think 2
Would try.
out of the 3 might try it.
Well, let's try it. Here we go, Kelly.
Okay, Kelly.
Well, wait on me.
why you need 2 plates? Why don't you just grab one?
Well, because I want my own.
Oh, there's Aunt Peggy. Hello, Aunt Peggy.
There she is. Maybe she'll taste it.
Crumb spinach. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Oh boy, is that good. Are there?
Bon appetit.
And to you. Wow. Kelly? Is it Kelly? Kelly.
Yes.
Nadine. Kelly Nadine. That's her name.
Hmm.
Moriarty.
Kelly Nadine. That is a very, very good recipe, and I can see why it's a tradition in your husband's house.
I sure can.
It's really, really good.
The only thing I would do differently, Bobby, because of the ages that I have to feed, you know, from 3 to
93.
to 96, 95,
Oh, good.
I would probably take out the pepper, you know, and let everybody just pepper their own.
The recipe was loose for that. And what else?
I know it, but
Add butter.
I started with butter, remember?
Okay. More butter.
Kelly's from Louisiana. We know what to start with, don't we, girl?
Yeah, she does know.
Delicious, Kelly. It's a winner, and I can
Very good.
see why it's a family tradition. And I want everybody in this kitchen right now to taste it.
Some chips would be good in that. I'm sorry.
I'm telling you what, some thin Mexican chips would make you want to slap yourself.
Nice job. Good work.
Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Kelly.
Cheers.
Love and best dishes from Louisiana. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.